proceed to the table. Then remove the base. Get the dry washcloth. Start wiping the table. Circular motion on the top and vertical on the sides. And set aside the table. Then proceed to the carpet. Remove any large and sharp object and set aside. Get the master nozzle. Replace the ellipse. And attach. Using your proper body mechanics and forward and backward motion in reference to the door. Using your proper body mechanics. Then, remove the attachment. And the extensions. Set aside. Roll the carpet. And set aside. Then get the soap broom and dustpan. Using the 3 long sweeping stroke from far side to the near side and to the center to collect the dust. Then set aside. Set aside the vacuum and get the floor polisher. Using your proper body mechanics, get the manual, follow the instruction, and check the cord if it's free from animal bites. Also check the compatibility of the socket to the outlet. Then make sure that the floor polisher is in level of your hip or on your hip level. Then lock. Then plug the unit. Plug the unit. Then make a clearance. Start wiping the floor using your curving arc motion. Moving backward in reference to the door. Then once clean, unplug the unit. Then return to original position. Then secure the cord using the figure 8 motion to prevent from any damages and for the safety. Then set aside. Get a dry mop. Then start sweeping the floor using the figure 8 motion in reference to the door. infinity or 8. Then set aside. Return the carpet. Using your proper body mechanics. Return the table, the base. Return all the materials. Remove your apron. Remove your gloves. Do the proper hand washing, document and endorse. Yun na po.